Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Cajun deviled eggs. Start by boiling 6 eggs until hard, then cool and peel under cold running water. Have the eggs and scoop yolks into a bowl. Mash yolks with 3 tablespoons mayo, 1 tsp mustard, 1 tsp Cajun seasoning, and a pinch of cayenne. Spoon or pipe filling back into whites and sprinkle with paprika before serving. Serve warm or chill. Keep the tone bold but balanced when building flavor for Cajun deviled eggs. If you prefer mild heat, start with 1 tsp hot sauce and taste as you go. For crunch, stir in 1 tablespoon chopped pickles or jalapenos to the yolk mix. Consider crumbled bacon or chopped green onion on top to add smoky texture. Plate on a chilled tray so the filling stays firm and holds its shape when served. If your eggs show a grayish ring, avoid overcooking and shock them in ice water right away. For tidy presentation, use a piping bag or a zip bag with a corner cut off to pipe the filling into the whites. Taste the yolk mixture before filling and add salt or Cajun seasoning in small increments. Chill the finished deviled eggs for 15 to 30 minutes to let flavors meld before serving to guests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.